Hello sir, if gagamitin po sa camping, Toyota Veloz or Honda BRV, thank you. Sige, Banchoy 4, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, two major aspects that I could see na vital between these two 7-seaters na magagamit natin sa camping. So, first is, kay Toyota Veloz, meron po siyang long sofa mode, which is, pag tinutupi ito, or yung sa second row, nagiging ano siya, parang relaxing talaga siya na parang captain seat or gano'n na na-extend mo yung paa mo, then nakataas tong sandalan. So yun, medyo maganda yun na feature kay Veloz, and even kay Avanza meron gano'n long sofa mode. I think that's really nice to have in a camping, no? And then space din, medyo para sa akin, in terms of like third row seat, kung 7-seater talaga, like 7 people maximum capacity, Veloz would be great for that. Now, in some camping areas or campsites, some of them medyo ma-uphill or parang matarik talaga, no? That is where Honda BRV wins para sa akin. So if you want peace of mind, BRV talaga, but I'm not saying hindi kaya ni Veloz. Kaya rin ni Veloz, but yun, medyo a little bit struggle and naka power mode ka lang, pero you'll get there. So I guess yun lang naman yung mga major aspects na nakikita ko in terms of camping. If you haven't watched it yet, watch my Toyota Veloz versus Honda BRV sa YouTube comparison. Search nyo na lang. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more.